When I got beautifully stranded in Bali during the pandemic, doon ako dinatnan ng pandemic during 2020. I was there for a total of 1 year and 1 week.
No way. Like
I'm not
1 year?
kidding.
Like 365 days.
Plus 1 week, yes.
Plus
Ang
one
nangyari
week.
kasi, I took a teacher training there and I flew there February 29 of 2020. Ang teacher training ko at that time was March 1 to 24. Yun yung schedule. March 15 nag-lockdown, remember? So global lockdown March 15. I was in Bali. And at that time, I was panicking. Of course, it was very stressful and overwhelming to get to be in a different country while the global lockdown was happening. But what happened there was, I took it as a challenge for myself. Na if umuwi ako in a panic, it means I gave in to my fear. But what I wanted to do at that time was to surrender and I wanted to trust God's plan. So I didn't go home in a panic. Instead, I said, feeling ko 2 months lang tong pandemic na to. Sabi ko,
Oo,
dito na
oo.
lang ako. And then I ended up staying and then yun na nga, 1 year akong nandun. Siyempre maraming fears that came up. Ang dami kong kinatakutan na inisip ko, what if magkasakit ako doon? What if maubusan ako ng funds? And then the more I surrendered, the more I trusted God's plan, the more dumating yung answers one by one. Discounted lahat ng mga presyo ng mga restaurant, ng mga hotel, kasi kailangan nila kami magstay doon eh. So parang the people who were stranded there plus the local businesses, we were all working together para naman makasurvive kaming lahat. So I felt that my time there was very much needed so that I could heal myself. And then as a yoga and meditation teacher, I could also pass the teachings when it was time for me to go back to Manila.